I'm a business lawyer in Toronto with Dentons, and my practice is working with clients in a variety of industries, primarily with businesses who are subject to financial regulatory law. That's banks, insurance companies, credit unions. It's also fintech companies, insurtech companies, and companies that interact with financially regulated companies. It's working with a variety of different companies, a variety of different industries, and it's a really exciting time because since 2008, obviously, regulations gone up materially. And what I find is that clients want to comply with regulation. They want to be on the right side, but sometimes because of the complexity of the regulatory environment, they need some help. And that's really where I come in. And it's really interesting working with these companies, working with really innovative companies, with companies that have really challenging, intellectually interesting questions and are doing fascinating things that really matter to people all around the world. And so I'm excited to be able to contribute to that part of our economy. My focus is being a business legal advisor. I find that clients don't have legal problems, they have business problems that have legal dimensions, whether they're litigation or transactional or regulatory. And what I try to bring to clients every day is a way to solve those business problems and help them look at their options, help them review different approaches they could take, assess strengths and weaknesses and risks of different approaches, and ultimately work with them to implement their chosen approach. It's a really interesting time given the complexity of regulation in 2018. It's an interesting time looking at the adoption of technology in our economy today, as it's only going to increase, and see how those technologies really interact with regulations that were designed for very different technological environments and very different states of the economy. Shortly after graduating law school, I was really struck by how much esteem lawyers are held, in spite of all the lawyer jokes. People really respect lawyers and respect what we're able to contribute to our broader communities. And I've been very happy and really very honored over the last several years to be able to contribute to helping people and helping my community, whether it's through fundraising and advocacy in Toronto's Jewish community, working with public policy through think tanks and through organized politics, working with About Face, an organization very close to my family that helps individuals and families with facial differences. And so being able to really contribute to my community in that respect has been something that I found very rewarding. And I'm looking forward to, as I enter the next stage of my career, to helping younger lawyers find causes that are really valuable to them and helping them really contribute and build increased satisfaction in the practice through that kind of interaction.